Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today we are going to be cleaning soft shell crabs. So before we get this video started, this video is not for children, so if you're under the age of 18, you're going to need an adult. And just as another disclaimer, I will be having some sensitive content. I will be cleaning live soft shell crabs, so if that's sensitive to you, then you might not want to watch this. Go ahead and subscribe and give us a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. So a soft shell crab is just a crab that is in its stage of molting, where they shed their old shell, which is a hard shell, and then during the molting process the shell becomes soft, and then it'll grow and become a hard shell eventually. But people actually catch crabs in the beginning of their molting, so that's how you get soft shell crabs. And you can eat crabs that are soft shell with the shell on, because it's soft enough for you to chew through. So here are our little soft shell crabs here. You want to make sure that they're alive, so I just like to give them a little tap to make sure they're moving. If you're messing around with soft shells and they're dead, you do not want to eat those. You never want to eat anything that's already dead. You want to like kill it. Sorry. So we're just looking at the anatomy and checking out the soft shell, making sure it has all its claws and everything like that. So it has a face. You can see the eyes and the mouth, and underneath are the gills. That's how they breathe underwater. So I'm just checking it out, make sure that the soft shell is nice and healthy before we get started. So you're going to need a pair of kitchen shears, which are kitchen scissors. After you rinse off the soft shell crabs, you want to start off by rinsing them off under cold water. After you do that, you're going to take the kitchen shears and you're going to cut them about 1/4 inch behind the eyes. Guys, I just want to let you know that this is the most humane way to do this. You want to do it quick, okay? I just did it again so you could see. After that, you're going to lift up where the gills are. I showed you those earlier, and you're going to remove those as well, because they're really not edible. So we're going to take those out, and I just use the kitchen shears and go under and remove them. It's quite easy. You want to get them from either side. And you want to make sure you do this in this exact step that I'm telling you, because if you do it in any other way, then that is not humane, okay? So next we're going to remove the apron off of the soft shell crab, which is a part of the crab's abdomen, which folds under. And so I'll show you what that is. It's this little piece here. And all you're going to do is just cut it, just like I did. You don't need that part either. And so you're just going to take that right off of there. And so I'm just cutting off any of the excess of the apron, because again, that's really not a piece that's edible. So we just want to remove that. And I'm going to do it again. You're going to cut that off and make sure that you've removed all of the apron from it. And just check, make sure all the gills are out. Just make sure. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. After that, you can pan sear it or pan fry it. Thank you guys for watching. And make sure to subscribe again. And I will see you guys in the next video.